Hey everybody, my name is Emily. Today I'm back here at Scott Crossing in Decatur, Georgia, taking on a tour of an A4 unit. This unit is 672 square feet. Right now I am standing in your future bedroom. There's a lot to see, a really awesome view on your large balcony. It has lots of light. You can tell already there's lots of light in here, and I can't wait to take you on a tour. So stay tuned, we're going right now. So we are starting right here at your front door. You can tell already the ceilings are very high in here, and you can kind of hear my voice echo a little bit as well. And when we turn around, you're greeted with a large entryway into your open floor plan. But before we get there, I wanna touch on the fact that you do have a coat closet right here. You have a pantry right here, which is really nice. So you can put all of your pantry items in here and have tons of storage. It won't take away from anything in your kitchen. And then immediately to your right is gonna be your water heater closet and then your washer and dryer. They do come in the unit and they are stacked. Your washer is top load and your dryer is front load, and they are Whirlpool appliances, so you won't need to worry about bringing yours with you. And now we're gonna come into your living space. In here, I love that we have floor to ceiling cabinetry. We do have two styles of finishes at Scott Crossing. So right here, you're seeing the black finishes, but we also do have blue finishes as well in this style unit. But of course, the floor to ceiling cabinetry and then the wine rack above your sink right here, that's Northwood Ravin signature staple. You also get these glass cabinets here so you can display your really pretty cups or mugs, whatever you might need. And then I love how you still get a very big island. So this one bedroom has lots of storage. Your island has storage. We'll come around on the side here and see it. You do have shelves built in and it's very large. So, and it also, I'll point out, it is movable. So if you wanted to entertain and maybe move it off to the side, you have the flexibility to put bar stools underneath. If you do want to entertain with it in the center here, you have that flexibility. Of course, you have your stainless steel appliances, and it's just a really gorgeous kitchen. So from the kitchen, we're gonna turn and see, once again, lots of windows, but your really cool nook in the wall here. And it has storage above it, and then you also have counter space here. So if you're a big coffee person, you're a big coffee drinker, you wanna make like an espresso bar here, you could totally do that. If you wanted to have this as like a small wet bar, you have that. You do have outlets here, and then cabinetry up top to store your items, and your cabinets are soft close, which is awesome as well. So this area is really nice because it's actually in your living room. So if you wanna build out the space, if you're entertaining, you have that option. And now I wanna dive into the living room because the living room is actually my favorite part because it kind of coincides with your bedroom, but you do have this wall for privacy here. So I know the wall might stump some people when they see it, they're like, what do you do with this wall? But I think the wall adds a lot of personality to the home. So it breaks up the room for sure. Let's start there. You could easily mount your TV on this wall. There is a cable connector here. In fact, I would probably suggest you mount it on the wall. And then you could do a sectional, maybe a big area rug, a coffee table, but you have a lot of options with this layout. Once again, you're not missing any of that light in here. These blinds are really cool, like I was touching on earlier, because they do have a really nice closing capability. So you actually just lift from the bottom and they adjust, which is awesome. So now we've kind of covered the living room. I wanna save the view till the end because the view is really awesome. You can imagine with all this light in here, you are on a great side of the building. You're facing a lot of area back in here. So we're gonna go into the bedroom, we'll do the bathroom, your closet, and then we'll hit the balcony. So coming into your bedroom here, this is a really sizable room. So just for reference, you can see you still have that wall again, but you do have lots of privacy. This would be really easy to block off, and I would probably once again mount my TV on this wall for my bedroom, and then I would put a king bed here. This wall is really quite large. I don't know if you can tell the size. You could easily fit a king bed, 2 nightstands. I might even put a desk against the windows if you work from home. That would be perfect for you. But we also do have lots of desk space in our amenities. We have study rooms, that kind of thing. So you don't have to worry about that if you're not the work from home type of person. But once again, would definitely mount my TV on this wall. Lots of room. And now we're gonna come into your bathroom. And I love this bathroom. I love the black and white in here. You have lots of storage underneath your sink. You have a single vanity, but it's huge. This could have easily been a double vanity. You have lots of counter space on this side and that side as well. And then you do have a really pretty garden tub. It's a really big soaking tub. And then you have the white tile backsplash in there. And then you also have a linen closet in here, which is awesome. Storage is great, you can never have enough. So now we are gonna go into your closet, right over here. This closet is huge. I just wanna preface that. You have tons of storage, and I actually like that the shelves are solid. So they're not those wire shelves that you normally see, they're solid. So nothing's gonna slip through. You have tons of room, lots of storage options, and you do have hardwoods throughout the home, but in the closet you actually have carpet, which is really cool. It blends very nicely. Our final stop on the tour of this home, you know, we covered the kitchen, your living area, your bedroom, is gonna be this balcony. And I love this balcony for a couple of reasons. One being that it is huge, and two, that on gorgeous days like today, you have an awesome view. So I am standing all the way at the back of the balcony, and you could see, you could easily fit a patio set out here, maybe put some chairs out here, and then you have this gorgeous view of Decatur. Of course, being a Scott Crossing resident, you're right across the street from Sprouts, so getting your groceries will be super easy. And then you also get a little bit of city views back in there. Really awesome touch. And just a nice space if you like to sit outside. It's quiet, but the weather's great, perfect for summer. This is definitely something I would love to have at my home. Okay everybody, that is gonna wrap up our A4 tour here at Scott Crossing in Decatur, Georgia. If you're interested in this 1-bedroom home, it's available right now. Like I said, lots of personality in this home, a great view, which we just saw. If you're interested, head over to livescottcrossing.com for some more information.